have also from literature. I have
Sudhamurti.
Sudhamurti,
Interesting.
because that author is very interesting.
Interesting. I don't think so.
Huh?
I am very fed up of reading the books. How many years I have read? See, I did my master's degree in technology from then I did my MSc.
This is literature, so different thing, different kind of things. Yeah.
No, it's lovely.
Lot of
That's
love
also
story.
the kind of literature.
There are some.
Reading a kind of book is totally a fine job. At least somehow it helps us to sharpen our brain and memory.
It also depends on the kind of taste that we have.
Yeah. And some people most of the traveling anywhere they are I don't think they will understand fully. Oh, thank you.
Traffic.
Very less time this time.
Yeah, very less time. I think
Yeah, I think less time.
we are running the speed of 80 to 80 kilometers per hour.
In Vistara Airlines, everything is written. We can see like passenger like here in there is one speed boat, 5 kilometer altitude. And from the satellite also we can also view the body of this aircraft. When I was going to Singapore, by next week I'm coming back to Delhi after completion of my work. I'll be going to Switzerland, Zurich, Switzerland for training, demonstration training.
Oh,
For 2-3 days only, I'm staying out there. Then I'll be back. Because I have another company out there. And you know, one of my brother having a car company in Missouri. That's the company.
it's fine.
So he sent me to get the demonstration training. So he submitted my name. So I have to go. Signal, I think signal will be there. Đâu chỉ do lục sen tỏi à? Quay cái gì đó, cái chúng ta đó. Hạt sen hoa đó tụ. Cái lồng mứt hồng đấy đâu? Lồng mứt hồng đấy đâu? We'll pick you up, right? We'll pick you up. Không. ผม ผมโอ้
शिलांग एयरपोर्ट में आपका स्वागत है। समय बाहर का तापमान 32 डिग्री सेल्सियस है। इस देरी सहूलियत सुविधा के लिए हमें खेद है। अब आप अपने मोबाइल फोन का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। अपनी सुरक्षा के लिए सीट बेल्ट साइन बंद होने तक अपनी कुर्सी पर ही बैठे रहें और कुर्सी की पेटी बांधे रखें। स्वाइशेट के साथ यात्रा करने के लिए धन्यवाद।
सुधा मूर्ति
आपका दिन शुभ हो। जय हिंद।
लास्ट वीक है
Welcome to Shillong Airport. The temperature outside is 32 degrees Celsius. We regret the inconvenience caused due to this delay. You may now use your mobile phones. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt signs are switched off. Thank you for traveling with SpiceJet. Have a wonderful day ahead. Jai Hind.
Tay airport tay về ya Jakarta ya ขอบคุณผม Kahit mula besar mo kadang cekroy minum Yang besar po kalau iya rin dangret nang kendong na ini silong ini juga kan Sudah Murti
Follow her on Instagram. And she always writes inspiring message every day. We am currently going to PhD.
Right now season stop. Sorry, transfer.